Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be talking about a new update. So I'm sure you guys have noticed that over the past few videos that I've made here on YouTube, my audio has sounded really poor, and that was mainly because my microphone decided to bail on me. Just stopped working. I tried opening it some time ago and wasn't able to fix it. Apparently it's a very simple mechanism, but it's not that simple to fix if you can't really tell what the problem is. So just kind of stopped working. Anyway, problem solved. Not gonna talk about that now. So the solution to my problem is I bought myself a new one. This is the Hollyland Lark M2, and it's kind of really popular right now on the internet. A lot of YouTubers have been talking about it. Even MKBHD has been using this. I think that was the first time I saw this microphone on YouTube. So when I noticed that I was able to get one of these in any of the shops here in Ghana, I decided to give them a call and order one for myself. So yeah, it arrived today, and let's get into the unboxing. Oh, okay, so it says here that it's made for iPhone and iPad. I don't know if it's clear for you guys to see. Okay. There's the top and that's the bottom. All right. So let's just tear it apart. Looks like I got the hang of it. Let's see. Where does it open from? Never seen this kind of packaging before, but let me just pull this. Oh, okay. I have seen this before. It's just a bit trickier than I thought. So yes, this is what it looks like on the inside. Let's see what's in this. I'm guessing these are the stickers. Yes. Kind of nice. Nice thing for someone to see the first time they buy this. And this says, we're here for you. Let's get in touch. Anyway, let's put that here. And these are the stickers with emojis. And yes, I really like the plain colors, black and white over here, to cover up the logo, so that well, if you don't want the logo to appear in your video, you can just cover it up. Okay, back to the main deal. So we have the charger here, which is kind of like the cover you have for your AirPods. And yes, looks like it contains the microphones. There are two, so you can even have a dialogue with someone, like an interview or something. And this is supposed to be a receiver, I think, which is going to be used for a camera. As you can see, it seems to be charging already because I pulled them out and put them back inside. So works perfectly. And I guess these are the receivers for Type-C and Lightning ports for iPhones. Most iPhones, old iPhones, I guess. Oh, and looks like it has a side ports over here for Type-C. Pretty cool. Anyway, we put that here, and let's see if there's anything on the inside. So it comes with this sack. I don't know what it's for. Let's see what's inside. Okay, put this right here. I kind of like to sniff new stuff when the moment I get them, so pardon me if I look weird. This is the thing they use to block wind, kind of like, what do we call it? Boom shield, I think. And I think, yeah, you wrap it around the microphone. I don't know if you guys can see the hole in here. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Okay, let me check this one. So there's a jack to jack for connecting to the camera, I guess. Okay, so these are clips that are still magnetic, so I can use them to, okay, so these are light bulbs. I can use them to, clip onto my shirt while I make a video. And this is supposed to be a Type-C charger for the whole charging deck over here. I wonder where the port is. Okay, it's right here. As you can see, the port is right here. You just connect it and charge it. I'm hearing that it has 40 hours of, uh, battery life. I don't know how true that is. I'm going to be testing that, but I'm not going to do any review. I'll leave that to the tech reviewers. I just, want to know if I had what I paid for. So, according to the tech reviewers, it's actually really good. So I'm going to take their word for it, and let's see what we have here. Oh, okay, so this is the necklace that they've been talking about. Feels so satisfying pulling it up, adjusting it. This is so cool. Okay, so there are actually two. Yes, two different necklaces. Wow, this is awesome. So I'm guessing they are magnetic. Yes, they are. So you get to attach your microphone to them, and yes, you can record your videos. Wow. All right, so let's just test the mic and see the difference in the audio. This is actually my favorite part. But first, before I do that, let's just pack everything back into the bag. All right, so like I said, we're going to test a mic. So I have one mic here. And I'm gonna take one of them, okay, lightning, and I'm going to connect it to my phone. So hopefully you're going to notice a change in sound right after I turn it on. So I'm connecting it right now. I don't know if you guys are gonna sense anything different. So it's connected. Good. Looks like it's on. I can't tell if it's actually recording, but if it is, let me know in the comment section if you like the difference. I'm guessing it sounds way better now, so yeah. And this is supposed to be the magnets. So I can actually attach that right onto my shirt. Let me try that, and boom. So this audio is coming directly from the Hollyland Lark M2. So if you love this audio, just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I did this so you guys can, hear me much clearer, because a lot of people have been complaining about the fact that they couldn't hear anything. So is there a way to turn on the noise cancellation thing? Oh, noise cancellation is green. So you just tap it once and then you have the noise cancellation on. I don't know if it really makes any difference, but let me know if you think this sounds different. This is with noise cancellation off, and this is with noise cancellation on. How does it sound? Does it sound any better? Whichever you prefer, just let me know and I'll make sure I use that one more often. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for the feedback from the previous videos, helping me to know that the sound was a bit, eh, icky. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'm glad I have these microphones. So the first time I use these microphones, I drop it. I'm never gonna forget this day, ever. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm glad you got to see my, my clumsiness. Anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.